Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Upwork for passive income, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Upwork website and create an account. Fill in your profile details accurately to make a great first impression. Select your area of expertise that aligns with your skills or interests. Take time to complete your profile, adding relevant work experience and education. Upload a professional photo to enhance your credibility. Craft a compelling overview or bio that summarizes your skills and goals. Set competitive rates based on your expertise and market research. Browse available jobs to understand what clients are looking for. Identify passive income opportunities such as creating multiple service offerings or digital products. Consider offering recurring services that clients might need regularly. Set up a portfolio showcasing your best work to attract potential clients. Apply for jobs that align with your skills and showcase your unique value proposition. Communicate effectively with clients to build long-term relationships. After completing projects, ask for feedback and reviews to enhance your profile. Explore Upwork's project catalog to create predefined services for passive income. Utilize Upwork's messaging tools to maintain contact with clients and nurture relationships. Stay active on the platform by regularly updating your profile and portfolio. Learn about Upwork's payment process to ensure smooth transactions. Monitor market trends to adjust your offerings as necessary. Engage in community forums to network with other freelancers. Stay persistent and adapt your strategies based on performance and feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.